Hi Ed, I'm super excited to share with you some awesome news. I've just closed a 10k client today on my second business and I'm so excited, and I wanted to share this with you because before COAA I would never have been able to do that. And because I've used with my first business, I've actually managed to complete all the automations and set everything up, and I do have like calls coming to me, people booking in, which is amazing. And with my second business, I always, I didn't want to let go of it. And I know you say we should only focus on one thing, but it's something that I've always kind of done at the same time. So I'm really excited because what I've just done is use the methodology from COAA and injected it into my second business, and that is how I close. So I'm super happy. Thank you so much for everything that you've done. Before COAA, I had no idea what I was doing with my business, and I was actually in a corporate, I was working in a professional services firm, and I was living away from my family. I wasn't there for my family, and it was really tough and it was really hard, and there was a point where I didn't know what the point was anymore, and you are the person who got me out of that space, and I'm super grateful for the rest of my whole life. I'm super grateful for everything you've done, and it's just been amazing to see me go from that space to now having a business that's completely automated. Everything is automated in my first business. In my second business, I don't necessarily intend to fully automate it, but everything that I've used in my first business, I've used in my second. So the thing I just want to say about COAA and what's incredible is that the skills that you get and what you do and apply and create in your business is something that you will always have. It's something that can't be taken away from you. And I almost like to say it's like the gift that keeps on giving, because whatever happens, if something goes wrong or anything, it doesn't matter, because you never give up, because you always have that skill set in you, because you already know how to do it. And let me tell you, there's no way I would have done the automation side of things before you, because it's not something I'm excited about. But you made it so streamlined, so easy, and so clear. And it's literally step by step. So if anyone here is thinking, do I do it? What am I going to do? Then there is just no question. You have to do it. If you want to free your time up, if you don't want to be banging your head against the wall trying to work out what tech to use, if you want your clients to come to you, like the other day I had, I went to a conference and then I came back and I had 2 calls booked in and I had the applications done and everything. And that is from COA. I would not have been able to do those things. So not only have I got clients coming to me in my first business, but what I'm super excited about is I've just closed 10k today on my second business with the positioning, with everything I've been taught from COAA, and that's on the back of the first one. So just let me tell you, if you are thinking about doing it, you have to do it if you really want to free your time up. And in the next couple of months, I'm actually going to be going to Germany, which is super exciting. So I'm going to be able to travel Europe, and as a result, that means I can do it because I have the time to do it, and I would not have been able to do that before, and especially when I was in my job. So just a massive thank you. I love you lots, and I'm just super happy and grateful to be on this journey. Lots of love to you and the team. Thank you so much for making it possible, because that impossible has now become possible in me and my business. Thank you so much. Bye.